So AI hallucinates. It's a term that a lot of people have heard of for when AI seems to be making things up. More colloquially, we call it AI BSing. And one of the things that I think people wonder is, can this be fixed? What does it take to fix it? And fundamentally, when you talk about large language models, they're probabilistic. They're stochastic, meaning they're predicting a next token based off the tokens that went before, and they can always be predicting a different token every time. What this means is that you can't guarantee that they're going to say anything specific. And this also means that sometimes they start generating text that might go off and produce information that is not accurate because they have no sense of accuracy. They're merely trying to mimic a distribution that they saw in their training data. So when they go off the rails like that and say something that is incorrect, we call that a hallucination. Now, one of the ways that people try to mitigate hallucinations is something called RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, where you put information into its context, and then it can refer to that rather than what it might be in its training weights that it learned it from the distribution. This minimizes hallucination, but it doesn't eliminate it. They can still make mistakes as they're processing that context. Not only that, but the context itself can have information that is not relevant, or incorrect when it comes to answering the question. So that's another way you can have an apparent hallucination coming out of a large language model. So important to know that this is one of the limitations of large language models.